How to create duplicate image on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create a duplicate image on Canva. For that, you'll have to open your Canva application on your mobile device and click on the plus icon to access the options. Choose a photo from your gallery and here select Using New Design option. You will be directed to a new screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will notice two icons, one on the left and one on the right. Look for the right icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it and you will see duplicate option within it. Click on it to proceed. By clicking on duplicate, you will instantly create a duplicate page of your current page on your Canva. And that's it. You have successfully created duplicate page on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.